Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V21 and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find yours, simply hold it first time around, which will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. So you can choose who can call you, who can message you, and so on, schedules, stuff like that. And from there, once you set it all up, you can simply find the toggle once more, click on it to enable it whenever you want it, assuming you didn't go with the schedule. If you went with the schedule, make sure the schedule itself is enabled and the settings of it, and from there just let it turn on and off itself. But if you want the manual route like I am, then you'll need to turn it off yourself, otherwise it will be permanently on. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.